This is Vinita from CNCTimes, and we are in conversation with Mr. Frank of Supply Point at IMTEX 2019. Thank you, sir, for giving us this time.
You're very welcome. Very welcome.
So I have a few questions to ask you. The first question is, what is the technology you're showcasing or displaying here?
So the technology is all about how we integrate with the Indian market, discussing our value proposition with IT, IS and global directors, and how we can integrate through ERP, through the likes of SAP, to increase production efficiency and effectiveness, utilising our customers' technologies with managed inventory solutions, which will save time, lower cost and increase Indian productivity in manufacturing.
Great. So how has been your experience since the past 5 days at IMTEX 2019?
The experience has been amazing. We have been in the Indian market now for several years. We are making a very concerted effort into developing our investment within the Indian market and supporting technologies utilising supply point services. This week has been amazing. It's been lots and lots of inquiries with new partners who want to work with supply points to deliver the value proposition to their customers. We've experienced lots of new distributors who are very interested in understanding how they can enhance their customer offer, and we've had some great discussions with industrial manufacturers who also want to leverage supply point solutions to support their overall proposition.
This is fantastic news. I'm really happy that this is working out for you in IMTEX 2019. The last question I would want to ask you is, what do you think about the market scenario, about your industry in India? What do you think? How is it going so far? How was it last year and how is it going now?
So we are looking at the Indian market as a 3 to 5 year strategy. We expect significant business development and opportunities, and as a global provider, Supply Point want to transpose all the benefits and value we create around the world directly into the international, Indian marketplace. We believe we'll pass lots and lots of benefits, and we're very excited about building relationships with our blue chip global companies and local manufacturing companies in India also.
Fabulous. This is amazing. Do you want to give any message to your customers, potential customers? You can give it now if you want to give a message.
So Supply Point are here. We've been here for over 2 weeks in India. This is testimony to our commitment and demonstration that we want to build local relationships. We understand the Indian market. We anticipate the Indian market's requirements. So engage early with Supply Points and understand what benefits and value we can deliver you in terms of cost savings, production efficiency, and overall efficiencies utilising our services. So come and talk to us. We're here. We want to do business and we want to build relationships.
Fantastic. Thank you and good luck for your journey ahead.
Thank you very much. Thank you.